gonna be a long conversation. Where did he throw it away?
There was a little bit left. I used it.
know.
I disposed of the tray.
You what?
I used it. And then
You used it. Then okay, so it didn't stay on the tray.
This defendant walks into court already facing a serious criminal case, yet somehow he still managed to get himself into more trouble while out on bond. You would think someone staring at major charges would keep their head down, but he acted like the judge would never find out. His own attorney is trying to soften the damage, but the entire mood in the courtroom shifts the moment the truth comes out. It really makes you wonder if this is addiction at play, or just someone who flat out refuses to respect the legal system. Let me know in the comments if you think this guy deserves another chance. Let's get into it.
Ready, Judge.
Yeah, Jonathan Emmons on behalf of the people.
Court shall feast your assistant public defender, Mr. Walter LaCroix. Mr. LaCroix, please state your name for the record.
Walter LaCroix.
Thank you, Judge. I have spoken to Mr. Emmons about this case. It's going to do some further look at the matter to see where we stand in terms of an offer. We're asking just for an adjournment for a couple of weeks of the PCC. And then I need to address his it's not a bond violation yet, I don't believe, but it's a bond report where Mr. Croy given permission to test in Genesee County. He signed up for a program, DNA testing in Genesee County. That program did not release testing results to the community corrections unless he was positive.
Hold on a second. That's not what I have. Do you have his progress report?
The one that I have, I do have a progress report.
From August 28th?
I don't believe that's the date. Let me check.
Mr. Allen?
Mine dated August 28th.
In terms of his testing, I have so he's here on an operating while intoxicated causing death.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. And on August 20th, after his arraignment, what day was he arraigned?
Arraigned on the 16th.
So then he got tested on the 16th he was over. He wanted to test there. He tests on August 20th, and he's positive for cocaine.
Correct, Rob. I'm aware of that.
Then, on the 22nd, he didn't appear for his testing.
That was when I was setting up to be tested in Genesee County. And I called the lady down here to let her know right away.
Let's go back a moment, because I don't think he's been before me.
I don't believe so, Judge. Just asking for a 2-week adjournment to see where we stand in terms of the potential.
Why is he testing positive for cocaine after getting charged and arraigned on an operating while intoxicated causing death?
Because he used cocaine, Your Honor. Obviously. I don't think he's...
No, it's a fair answer to my question. I'm just saying why.
Positive. They have not called test this week. He's called them twice a day to go test. They have not called him, so he went over today to community corrections, tested here, and he is going to change if the court allows
He
him.
tested here today?
Here this morning.
What is it? Do we have results on that?
Used it. And that.
You used it. Then okay, so it didn't stay on the tray.
Right.
And I disposed of the
Judge. Why?
He's positive for cocaine.
Judge.
And so that we know.
Thank you, Judge. And to answer your previous question as to why he's still using after being arraigned,
sure.
Clearly he has a problem, Your Honor. There's no answer I can give you that can justify use of cocaine after arraignment when it's an illegal. He doesn't have any type of special license to allow him to use cocaine, Judge. So clearly he has a problem. He is willing to fix that problem. He is working, and he did voluntarily come here today and take a test. So he's asking you to not say that, right?
No.
No, you have to state.
All right, anything else?
All I can say, Your Honor. So to the positive test, Your Honor, I have no explanation aside from what I already told you.
Which positive test?
The
first one or this one?
The first positive test, Your Honor. The explanation he gave you is that he used it and then threw away the tray. After he was arraigned, after he was ordered not to use, have no explanation, Your Honor. He'll just ask for mercy from the court on that, and he is willing to get any treatment that the court would allow him to take place.
Except that he can't follow the court's order. I don't know how he's going to do treatment. And the other thing is, he doesn't test when he's supposed to test. So it seems to me I have two options. I could let him go and say, oh, well, best wishes. Or what I can allow him to do is go back out there, use some more cocaine, and kill somebody else. Allegedly. Not doing it.
Understood, Judge.
Defendant's bond is revoked. Defendant remanded to the Washington County Jail. I'll set his hearing September 12th, 2024, 9 a.m. for probable cause.
9/12.
9/12.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
This hearing is a perfect example of how fast things can fall apart when someone refuses to take the process seriously. You could tell the judge was trying to give him a chance, but the justice system only has so much patience when you ignore every rule they set. The sad part is these situations end up hurting everyone, the families involved, the victims, and even the defendant, who clearly isn't thinking straight. You'd be surprised how many people land back in custody not because of their main charge, but because they couldn't stay clean or follow simple bond conditions. Once you break the court's trust, everything tightens instantly. Hopefully he gets his act together before trial, but let me know. Do you think the judge was right to crack down on him, or would you have given one more chance? Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.